Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys AppLock setting in your Redmi phone. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you on and guys how can you start your AppLock in your Redmi phone guys, and guys how can you use your AppLock in your Redmi phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So guys now let's see how to start guys AppLock. First of all guys open your phone setting to start your AppLock setting. Then guys scroll it. As you can see your app setting, so I tap here, let's click on your AppLock setting. So as you can see this option, so I turn on now. Guys cannot at least photos guys, we will have to choose guys any pattern, and guys you want to change password, so as you can change from here. So example for guys I will take this one, and as you can see guys sign and added. You want to add guys your my account guys, I don't want to add now, so guys not now guys, wait here. And guys you want to add your MI account, so as you can add from here, not now. As you can see your use AppLock setting, tap here. And guys you want to set guys your fingerprint now, so which app guys you want to log guys, you can log and unlock from here guys. You can use your AppLock setting guys. If you want to set guys use fingerprint, so as you can set your fingerprint guys in your AppLock setting. So like that guys. Also if it use YouTube, so as you can see guys we have AppLock, so we will draw our pattern to use YouTube. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and guys how to use AppLock in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.